Hi everybody, and welcome to the Opal and Mommy Baking Show.
Hi, Opal.
And I'm Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy! And today, we're going to be making an Oreo sheet cake. So let's get to...
Cookies.
Yes, those are Oreo cookies. We're going to put them in the cake. Alright.
It's a flour.
Yeah. Alright, Opal, do you know what this is?
It's butter.
Nope, it's oil.
Oreo.
We're going to pour in the oil, and then we're going to get a cup of water and pour that in too.
Water.
You want to pour it in?
Okay.
Good job, Opal.
I'll stir it.
In a minute, because first we need to put these in. What are these?
Egg. Be careful.
There's one.
It's nowhere.
There's
Two. Tag. Open.
and
B.
oh. All right.
Mama.
What does Mommy have, Opal? It's the electric mixer.
That's a receipt.
Remember, we got to keep our hands far away. Mommy should have picked a bigger bowl because it's getting everywhere. But we're mixing. Mommy got a little injury, didn't I? A little boo-boo. I was lifting the chair to get the utensils out of the drawer and I dropped the chair right on my big toe. It hurts. Next we're going to put in sour cream. Seems weird, but we're going to do it.
I'll put it.
Opal would like to pour in the sour cream. It's not really an easy pour though. We're going to go... And next we're going to pour in 12 crushed Oreo cookies. You want to help? Alrighty. Stir, stir, stir.
Open the cookie.
Thanks, Evan, for cooking. Gonna pour this on the sheet and we'll put it in the oven.
Okay, in the oven.
So we already gave half of it away to people, but frosted with a frosting mixed with Cool Whip mixed with Oreo bits, and then Oreo bits on the top, and might I say...